Hello everyone. In this video, we have opened our Gmail account, the particular Gmail account in which we have a business listing. So I take it as an example. This is a business listing. When we search the company name after logged in to the Gmail account where the Google business profile is linked, then we search in the Google the company name and we found it. Now this is our GPP page. I can go ahead and can try it again. And you can say in the normal Google, if we are logged in to the right account under which the GPP is, then we see this page. So here we will go here and let me find out the option. Okay, so it's Google business profile settings. Then we have people and access, and then we can say add, and then we can put in some email ID and we can give them a manager access and invite. That's it. So this is how you add more user, whoever you want to work as a manager. Owner is not required until unnecessary you want to transfer the ownership of the Google business profile. So mostly your team member, whoever want to do the operations in the Google business profile, type in the Gmail ID here of the person, manager, and invite. That's all for now. Thank you.